New RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra, who's chairing his first Monetary Policy Committee meeting, will announce the decision of the six-member panel on Friday morning. There are widespread expectations that the central bank will reduce the interest rate by 25 basis points after a gap of nearly 5 years. According to experts, moderating food inflation and bright prospects for the rabi crop has provided an elbow room for a reversal in the rate cut cycle.
In this RBI Monetary Policy Committee, I expect a 25 basis cut in rate of interest. The reason is global scenario now demands a rate cut. US has already cut rate thrice successively. Though in India, retail inflation is still high, 5.2%. So 5.2% doesn't give us sufficient reason to cut, but I think global scenario would be kept in mind. Plus, the government is focusing on domestic demand. To boost domestic demand, rate of interest cut is required.
The Reserve Bank of India had last reduced the repo rate by 40 basis points to 4% in May 2020 to help the economy tide over the crisis following the outbreak of the COVID pandemic and subsequent lockdown. In May 2022, the central bank started a rate hike cycle in view of the Russia-Ukraine war and paused it only in May 2023.
It looks unlikely that RBI would reduce the interest rates. However, as you know that central bank does not disclose its policy before the decision comes up. But given the interest rate situation and the fact that it can go up, and also the retaliatory moves that are coming from across geographies, the pressure on the inflation seems to be on the upward side. So we'll keep a watch on it.
Industry chambers are also expecting a rate cut decision after the three-day meeting of the MPC on Friday.